Hello there, my dear friends. I am back. Here's another one of my chef traveling adventure episodes. This time, you're gonna see me doing something unique, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. And I even encourage you guys to do this yourselves. I see you in a while. Hello my friends, your friend Jerry Lloyd is back. And do you remember the last time that I made like the seafood galore? But now we're making a more special seafood this time. And I'm gonna call it the Supreme Seafood Boil. These are the ingredients that we're gonna be using. We have snow crab legs here. We have jumbo shrimps. And of course, the most expensive of them all, live lobster. You see those things? I don't want to mention the price, but I'm just saying it's $35 per piece. And we'll have to use also this smoked sausage, and obviously we're gonna cut that into like these sizes. And these are the vegetables that we're gonna be using to make our broth tastier. These are the yellow onions. We're gonna peel them, and then the lemon here, we're gonna cut them too, and our corn in a cab, and these red potatoes here. And we're also gonna be using wine for this, and Cajun seasoning. This is very popular seasoning when it comes to seafood. And we're gonna be using sea salt. You know, you can use regular salt, but for this recipe, sea salt is actually the best. So it would be best if we're gonna use sea salt. Our broth will be tastier. And one more thing, we are not cooking this inside, guys. We're gonna do this outdoor, and with the help of my brother-in-law here, we're gonna make a fire outside of the house, and we're gonna boil this seafood extreme. Let's go and let's do it. Okay, let's check my brother-in-law here. There you go. He had created fire ready. Are you okay, bro?
Yes, I am.
All right. Almost ready to roll, huh?
Of course.
All right. Cooking time. All right, guys. Before it boils, we're gonna put our vegetables in there to give taste to our broth. So the onions, the fresh lemons, and our red potatoes. You just put it as whole, you don't have to slice it. And then our corn. I'm not putting everything because we have a small container. So, alright, let's put some of our seasoning too. We're putting the sea salt here. You need to put a generous amount, because that will give the taste for our seafood. And this is our Cajun seasoning. Not so much, because this is a strong seasoning. Don't overdo it. And of course, the red wine. So we'll get drunk afterwards. Alright, let it boil, and then we're gonna put our luxurious seafood. Alright, it's time to put in our seafood. Goodbye, lobster.
As history repeats.
And then our shrimps. We're doing 2 batches because we don't have enough container. So we're gonna do this in 2 batches.
When did a judge and a jury come there to the
Alright my friends, we are done. So we're pulling the first batch of our seafood boil. And then after this, we're gonna put the second batch. Oh, we wish we have a bigger container, but you know, it's fine. We'll do it second time. Alright, let's pour in our second batch of seafood. Look at those huge lobsters. And the shrimps. And our crab legs. And our smoked sausage. Let's see you again in 30 minutes. There you go, my friends. Are you ready to see our extreme seafood boil? Now we're serving it for you to see. Here are the crabs, crab legs, and here are the shrimps. There you go. And of course, some corns. Potatoes. And our smoked sausages. Alright, let's go and let's eat.
Masarap yung ulo kasi marami naman
Eating time, guys. Eating time.
Enjoy life.
Yeah.
Time.
Look at that.
It's the best.
Look at them. They're enjoying it. I'm actually just letting them to eat and then I'm gonna eat the rest. That's me. Can you hear that crunchiness in there? And of course, lemon garlic butter sauce. OMG.
It's really good.
So this is it, my friends, and I highly encourage you to do this too and have a feast with your family. Thanks for watching, and God bless you all.